Top 5 struggles ng mag-asawang nasa iisang negosyo. Number 1, business and financial stress. When sales go down, emotions go up. Money problems easily turn into marriage problems. Work heartily as for the Lord. Do business together, but remember, it's God's business first, not yours.
Number 2, role conflict. Sino ba yung boss? Ako ba yan? Sino yung mas tama? Kapag ka hindi clear yung roles, pride steps in. So, hindi siya tungkol sa control. It's about teamwork and syempre humility.
Submit to one another out of reverence for Christ. Number 3, poor communication. Busy sa business pero tahimik na sa relationship. That's dangerous.
Away yan.
Yeah, talk about more than just sales or clients. Don't let the sun go down on your anger. Deal with the issues before they harden your hearts.
Number 4, work-life imbalance. If you give all your energy to the business, ano na lang yung matitira syempre sa spouse mo, diba? So take your Sabbath really to pray together and laugh together. Enjoy lang din. Love each other intentionally.
And number 5, misaligned priorities. Ang isa gusto lumago agad.
Ikaw
Ang
yun.
negosyo, ako yon. Ang isa naman, yung gusto niya, peace at family time. So, ikaw yun.
Fine.
Yun. Laging tanungin si Lord, ito kaya ang gusto ni Lord para sa atin? When your treasure is, there your heart will be also.
Priorities. So at the end of the day, your business can really succeed. But if you lose your marriage, syempre, hindi na yun pinag-bigyan.
Because when God is at the center, both your marriage and your business can truly thrive. God bless. God bless.